Well, praise be God and Mother. It's a really beautiful night in here tonight. All fresh candles lit as we thank God and Mother for another day, teaching us many lessons on tolerance and compassion and working on forgiveness in some certain areas. What do you think, John? You do great, so wanted to do a couple of cards tonight. Yeah, you sound a little pooped. Well, I need I need you for myself for a second, but let's see what we got. You lighting up the room now? Yeah. Oh, look at that. It looks crazy, right? Yeah. Hi boys. Hey Lena, what is up? Speaking to them as the collective in the ninth dimension. Mm-hmm. Yes, I have that ability as well. I can speak to living people. If anybody needs a recap on that. First card drew is the Catcher in the Rye, the 10 of Swords. That card looks like me and you just needing to chill out. And that's exactly what it is. Let's grab one or two more. All right. Got him. You're just doing the cards today. Yep. Wheel of Fortune, let the chips fall where they may. Karma coming around. Whatever happened today, everyone got what was coming to them via karma. Not always instant, but always karma. All right. Very good. Very good. One more, yeah, and then it's time for bed. To bed, it's not even... yeah, I got some plans for you. This one is... Six of Pentacles, prayer. And the effectiveness of prayer. Mm-hmm. Mother and Father, thank you for helping me to help myself. Thank you for my John. Thank you for restoring my health after a long battle with substance abuse my entire life. Thank you for my strength. Thank you for my many gifts. Thank you for our music, me and John's music. Thank you for the home team that helps me and John negotiate the mission every step of the way. Thank you for my gratitude and for being able to remember to be grateful. Thank you for my ability to pass along the things that I've learned. Thank you for my compassion. Thank you for my animals. Thank you for my intelligence. I guess that all goes under gifts, right? Yes. John, would you like to take over? Thank you for my Lena. Because my Lena is everything.